Hello and welcome aboard. This website is meant to be your resource for obtaining our company overview, new hire orientation, company policies, compensation and benefits, general training, and dress code information. The homepage will give you an overview of what information you will find on the overall website. Please pay close attention to the menu bar on the top. This menu should be followed chronologically. On the navigation tab, you will find this video with an overview on how to use the website. The Orientation tab will contain a presentation with more company details. Please click on the blue Present button and look through the entire presentation. When the presentation starts, you will need to click on the arrows at the bottom of the screen in order to move through the entire presentation. The Training tab will have an interactive training with many buttons and videos within the presentation. Please make sure you go through the entire training because an assessment will follow. The Assessment tab will be like the previous one. It will be interactive and it will give you a short quiz. You will have the opportunity to retake the quiz multiple times. The next tab for product will be a short video clip of our most popular product. Click to play. The next tab is another short video tutorial on how to tie a necktie. Ties are required for all company events and conferences. Click the play button. Lastly, you would have the opportunity to answer one question. Here you will also have the opportunity to add additional comments. I hope that this navigation video has been helpful, and we hope you enjoy the website. Thank you.